this tutorial, I'll be talking about operating system commands. Commands are pretty cool prompts to use in your computer to access the computer files or applications. But command can be different for different operating systems. For instance, for the Mac it can be different, whereas for Windows it can be different also. We also have online command that you can use install in the operating system. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through bash command that we use for Mac terminal. So if you wanna, I have a Mac here, this Mac screen, so if you wanna get access to bash, you need to use terminal. You can use it from here, or so it is here, or it should be here in the bottom. So let's start. So if I use it, I'll see my username and also MacBook here. My username is Kalim here. So if I wanna do alias give me the long list, the listing of the all application that I have in the laptop. So now if I wanna do like alias dot l a, that should give me all the files including the hidden files. So but in the first one that give me the short list of the files, but now the system is giving me all the files including the hidden files. And if I do ls that gives me the all files, so it's basically the long listing of all the files. And if I want to do recursively, if you want to see recursively the files, then I have to say ls bashrc. So that gives me recursive all the files that I have in the computer. So as you see, bash is accessing all the elements that I have in the computer. And that's to, how about if you do q, that should quit the thing. And as you can see, you're accessing all the files and folders that I have in the laptop. So let's do q, so it should quit now. Now if I do top top should give me the display the active process of the CPU now. So the active process of CPU, what the CPUs are doing and what are the functions are running now. So by using top we can do that. But if you want to get out of the CPU processing display, you just have to press Q, then we are back. And if you wanna do the file and open a file in the using the editor, you just have to use NA and nano and whatever file you wanna call it. Let's not call it. So that should take me to the, and now I can access the file here and I can write whatever I wanna write. If I wanna get out of it, I need to press Ctrl Q. So that should terminate the process. Okay, now let's go back again. So we are back in the system. If you wanna use the reset terminal, I'll do it later. If I wanna create a file, that time we'll use a touch. So let's create a new file, give it a name. Okay. So this is the name of the file. And if I wanna access the directory, path to the directory of the file, I just use pwd. So my pwd gives me access the path to the directory, which is users in column. And if you wanna do help should take me to the help box. They will give the help, all the help things that you can use for your terminal. And now if I wanna do like copy a file to a new file, what I'll do is if I do cp, which is copy, and if I wanna copy, for instance, class file to a new file. Let's go new file column. Oh, because there's no trust directory, so it doesn't exist. But if you wanna copy from one file to another file, I should use cp and use the file you wanna copy to, and you wanna give a new file. So let's do cp. What are the file I have here? Let's make it column, and new file, make it like column1. So now that has been it's not copied because the file doesn't exist. And now if I want to remove a file, I will just use rm, then then whatever file is I want to put there, for instance column. So it has been removed from the system. Now there are so many things actually you can do. If you wanna create a directory, you just to have make a directory mkdir, and for instance if you want to give a name to it, let's make it ny. So this is a directory. If you want to remove a directory, I just need to put rm and r and directory name ny. So it has been removed now from the system. And there are also so many things you can do. If you want to access like the remote server using your Mac, using a terminal, you can do that. In that case you have to use ssh, then you have to use the username in the server. For instance, if I put mislam at, and you have to now use the host address. So if I put like 198.61.27.21, right? So that takes me to the server, and now I need to use the password. So if I use the password, that takes me to the, now I'm the server specifically that I have put on. If I put like alias should give me the list of the things I have in the server, list of the elements that I have in the server. I have this kind of folders in the server, so that gives me access to them. So if I say like open main.c, couldn't get a file description referring to the console. Oh, I have to, sorry, for that case I have to use nano or cat to access the files that I have in the system. So if I want to get out of it, let's do quit. So it's not there, so exit. So exit should take me out of the server now. So this is one thing. And if you wanna do like the clear should clean the screen. And now let's go again. If I want to do, you can do so many things, as I said in the beginning, password. So now they are asking for my password. If I give the password that I'm using now for my laptop, so now they should the bash is asking for my new password. So let's do new password, retype it. So the password has been changed. If I want to do reset, then that should reset that should give me the whole screen. And now if I want to go to the desktop, any element of the desktop, let's do cd any folder of the desktop. So let's cd desktop slash. So what I want to try to do, let's go to the class folder. So now I'm in the class folder. So if I wanna get into the elements of the class folder, I have to say open, and so I'm in the class folder now. So if I wanna add kind of files in the class folder. I can do that also using the bash. What else can we do? There are like so many things I said from the beginning, and I think that's it. So if you want to get out of it, just put exit or so it's completing, and the session is being expired now. So I hope that will give you kind of brief idea how bash works in Mac operating system. I hope you like the video, and I'll see you in next tutorial. Thank you very much for your time.